So I like taking the bus to work, but the closest bus stop is about a mile, mile and a half away from my house. But apparently you can take Lyft to your bus stop and you pay $2. Valley Regional Transit will pay the other part of it as long as it's within 2 miles, I think it is. You have to download Lyft if you don't have it. So you go to the Lyft app, go into your main menu, click promos, enter the promo code, and then select your destination. I like to do it by just setting a pin on the map. You just drag it to where you're going, find your bus stop, and set your destination. You only have to do that once, so that the next time you do this, the promo code is already applied. Hello.
Taking you to the bus stop?
Yep. Actually catching a bus along State Street. I like taking the bus. Actually, I've been taking it a lot lately. It's a good time, I feel like, to collect your thoughts. I know a guy who actually meditates on the bus, but I do listen to music on headphones or book on tape, podcasts, that type of thing. Plus, I don't have to pay for parking. You can take Lyft to the bus stop, or you can take it from the bus stop, like if you were carrying something heavy, or if you just had a long day of work. Or I suppose if you were wearing shoes that you didn't want to walk in, high heels. Thank you. And that's it. Now we wait for the bus.